Okay, moving on with MAT 2020, but question 1 this time. So, a square has center 3, 4 and one corner at 1, 5. Another corner is at which coordinates? Okay, so let's give this a sketch because it's a coordinate geometry question, right? So always draw a diagram. So center 3, 4, I don't know why it went black and then green. But 3, 4 is somewhere here, okay? And a 1, 5 is more like where? Oh god, I can't do maths. 1, 5 somewhere here, yeah? Okay, so now this is the center and this is the corner, right? So how do I get all the other corners? What do I do? Now, the trick for me is to use vectors here, yeah? Using vectors is a nice way of doing coordinate geometry questions. Always, basically. All right, always consider vectors. So, for example, this vector, what is this vector? This is -2, 1. Yeah, -2, 1. Okay, so where would the other corners be? Well, the diagonal corner, which is here, that is definitely 2 and a -1, right? No doubt. So this, you already know what the coordinates are, is 5 and then 3. Yeah, which is unfortunately not one of the answers. So we've got to get the other corners as well. How about this one? Bottom left. This vector is, what would it be? -1, -2, yes? Because it has to be perpendicular to the other vectors, right? So you can take the dot product as 0 and then you realize that it's -1, -2, right? Or you can think of it as, because the gradients multiply to -1, right? So you sort of swap the coordinates and then put the positives and negatives as appropriate, right? Okay, so what the coordinates of this would be is 2, 2, yes? Because the center is 3, 4, right? So if you go 3, 4 and then -1, -2, then you get 2, 2. Okay, so answer would be D. But then let's also find the last corner. So what's the last corner? The last corner has a vector 1, 2. So it'll be 4, 6, right? So the only answer there would be D.